This is a summary of the essential content from the Child Development topic, Nature Nurture. This is from Orca Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. The development of a child is influenced by both nature, genes, and nurture, environment. How these factors shape the child is a complex and fascinating process. Genes play a significant role in determining physical appearance, health, and mental abilities. They are inherited from parents and form the foundation of who we are. The environment in which children grow up can have a profound impact on their development. Even twins separated at birth may become different individuals due to their unique experiences. Genes contain the blueprint for our physical traits and some personality traits. Chromosomes, found in our cells, determine our sex. Identical twins share the same genes, but what about the rest of us? Genetics alone do not dictate a child's growth. The environment, such as diet and lifestyle, can influence physical attributes and skills. Nurture plays a crucial role in shaping who we become. The environment encompasses everything that surrounds a child, from home conditions to educational opportunities. These factors profoundly impact a child's development. Providing children with the right conditions, including nutrition and stimulation, helps them thrive and reach their developmental milestones. Children growing up in poor conditions may face developmental challenges. Their growth, health, and life expectancy may be affected, limiting their opportunities for growth and success. Twins, both fraternal and identical, offer valuable insights into the nature versus nurture debate. Studies of twins separated at birth shed light on the relative importance of genes and environment. Twins separated at birth and raised in different environments demonstrate the impact of the environment on development. While physical attributes may remain similar, differences in emotional development and skills become apparent.